Hey guys, welcome to Sneha's Craft. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Yogi Baba logo wall decor.
Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the.
You came back to me, I don't trick or treat, don't knock on my door. Don't want you no more.
Start by taking a print of a logo and cut it out. Cut it out roughly. Then take a piece of a cardboard same size as your print and apply glue at the back of the print and stick it to the cardboard. This will be your base. Now cut it out properly. As I told you in my last video, this step is not necessary. You can trace the logo on the cardboard and cut it instead of sticking and cutting. This will save you a print. I did it so I know where exactly to stick the parts of the logo. Then take one more print and start cutting the parts out. I will cut only the hand cigarette or cigar, whatever it is. I will draw the rest. I will cut the cigarette after tracing white parts of the logo on the foam sheet. If you want to hang it with a nail, then take some pointed object. I took thumb pin and make 2 holes at the top. Take a soft wire, bend it in half and pass the 2 ends of the wire through the 2 holes from backside. Bend it as shown. I'll pull it a little so it hides behind the hair and tie it in the front side as shown. If you don't want to hang it with the nail, you can put double-sided tape at the back and stick it to the wall. Then take a glitter foam sheet, flip it and start pressing the parts of the logo. See that you also flip the logo parts while tracing it. It is better to trace it this way on non-glitter side. Also, there won't be any pencil marks or pen marks whatever you are using on glitter side. Cut the parts out.
Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it.
Similarly, cut all the other parts out. Hair, smoke, fire, I don't know what it is called. Then stick all the parts to the base.
'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby.
Before sticking the cigarette, take one more print and cut the parts which has to be drawn as shown so we know where exactly to draw it. Place it on the base and mark where to draw it. I'll mark it with the pencil first and I'll draw it with the marker later. Then I also decided to cut weird lines to mark where exactly to draw them. Mark it on the base. Now that I'm thinking, I should have used black foam sheet over here, it could have looked better I guess. Before sticking the coffin nail, draw the mouth with the marker. Again I decided to cut Siggy out of the print to mark where to stick it. Then stick the Sig and this thingy. Then take the black marker and draw the parts.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it.
That's it, Yogi Baba logo wall decor is ready. Enjoy!
Tryna get my